Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paul. What if your next investment tip didn't come from a broker, but from an AI? In this video, we're diving into how artificial intelligence is transforming investing in 2025, from stock picking to real-time analysis, and how you can use it to build real wealth. AI investing isn't just hype, it's a major shift in how financial decisions are made. AI tools can analyze thousands of data points in seconds, from earnings reports to tweets, and spot opportunities faster than any human ever could. In fact, hedge funds and big banks have used AI for years, but now, thanks to apps and platforms, regular investors can get in on the action. So here are a few AI-powered tools you can actually use today. ChatGPT is great for market analysis, strategy planning, and even comparing ETFs. Kavout offers AI stock ratings and portfolio analytics. Tickeron provides AI-driven trade signals. FinChat.io acts as your AI financial assistant for news and earnings analysis. And Seeking Alpha Pro uses natural language AI to summarize earnings and analyst insights. These tools aren't just helping you understand the markets, they're actually helping you beat them. Let's be real, AI doesn't guarantee success. Investing always carries risk. But when you combine AI speed plus human judgment, that's where the real magic happens. Use AI to filter noise, do smarter research, and stay ahead. But never invest more than you're willing to lose. AI is changing how we work, live, and now, how we invest. Whether you're new to investing or looking for an edge, now's the time to start using AI tools to build wealth. If you found this helpful, drop a fire emoji in the comments and subscribe for more tips on AI, money, and smart digital hustles.